Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my sister with me and we're going to have a competition to see who can make the best gingerbread house. Christmas is in, I think, 10 days. Actually, it's in a week from tomorrow. We got these kits from Walmart. They were only like $9, and then we just got some red, green icing, and some mini M&Ms that she already started eating. So we are just going to have a competition, and after we're done, we're going to post it on my Instagram, have a poll, and see who made the best gingerbread house. So we are just going to go ahead and get started. So we are gonna open these up and I guess see what they include. It didn't look like it included much. So this is gingerbread house kit. I don't know what brand it is.
Walmart brand?
Just Walmart brand. Oh yeah, she also, my sister saw that it's skill level 2, so the one that we went to, this was the only kit they had left, so I guess it's an easy kit. But some Walmarts might have harder kits to build. So let's see. Here's directions. Yeah, the back has directions, but I think we're just gonna freestyle it and just build them however. So we get white icing with a tube, some green Christmas tree like gummies, peppermints, gumdrops. I don't know what these are, so I got M&Ms. Oh, also these frostings, so we got Pillsbury Funfetti, and they come with confetti just to add more. So you get some snowflake sprinkles, some beads. Oh, it comes with different tips for the theme, and then also it comes with the actual tray to build it on.
It's a little flimsy though.
But I guess you're supposed to put the house like in it like that. Ooh, it does come with a gingerbread.
Cool. Put them outside of the house.
Let's see. Siri, play Christmas music.
Holiday classics now playing.
What the heck?
I can already tell who is gonna lose. She just busted open all her icing. Are you copying me? I watch every HGTV show. Now I have to do a roof. Yeah, this roof is not staying. Flex the Easy Build roof holder above the house by gently pulling one side. How is this hold the roof?
I think it's just supposed to kind of dry.
You take the whole thing. Okay, they might have been onto something with this roof holder, so letting it sit for a couple more minutes. Low key, I think the roof might stay on. Okay, she's a little further ahead of me, but you know I have a vibe going on once I get the roofs to stick on. Now you want to use the roof holder. Your roof is already staying on.
No, it kept slipping on the side.
Okay, so we're both gonna take a picture of our houses and do an Instagram poll. We're not gonna say whose house is whose, so I'll do one on my Instagram or she'll do one on hers. We'll wait, I don't know, maybe 20-30 minutes or so and see who is the winner. The winner gets nothing. We're just trying to see who wins. You know, her house looks a little nicer, but mine has a backstory. They're on the come up. My gumdrop fell. So this is what the people in the box did. You know, not as easy as it looks. Look at that piping work. These perfect little gingerbread men. She kind of did that thing on her house, but yeah, it definitely was not as easy as they did it on here. Okay, so our Instagram polls, my followers are fake. Let me refresh it. So we just posted and didn't say which one was which. Her house has 18 votes, mine has 1 on my Instagram. What does yours have?
Mine has 5 and yours has 1.
So I have a total of 2 votes and she has 5 plus 18, quick math, 23. So clearly most people are probably gonna vote for hers because it looks a little bit neater, but they don't know the backstory about what my people have went through. So we're just gonna say that she won this challenge, but be on the lookout because we're probably gonna do more. We have a bunch of red and green icing left. So maybe we'll do like a fun Christmas cookie challenge, a Grinch cookie challenge, something like that. But for this one, she's the winner. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. I still am giving away a free pair of AirPods once I hit 10,000 subscribers, so I'll link that video down below if you want to enter. But thank you guys for watching. We hope that you have a good Christmas, happy holidays, stay safe, wear a mask, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Bye. Yeah, then do bloopers of us destroying it.
That's kind of wasteful.
Okay, never mind.
This is kind of hard.
But good.